Hi there, welcome back to Simple English Lab. In today's lesson, we will learn the difference between past simple and past continuous. This is super useful when talking about events that happened in the past. Let's get started. Part 1. Past simple. Quick review. We use past simple to talk about completed actions in the past. Structure. Subject plus past verb V2. Examples. I watched a movie last night. They went to the beach yesterday. She cooked dinner. These actions are finished. We know exactly when they happened. Part 2. Past continuous. Quick review. We use past continuous to talk about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Structure. Subject plus was, were plus verb plus ing. Examples. I was watching TV at 8 p.m. They were playing football when it started to rain. She was studying all evening. These actions were in progress in the past. Part 3. Past simple versus past continuous. We often use both tenses together to show one action was in progress when another one happened. Example. I was cooking when the phone rang. Cooking. Longer action, in progress. Rang. Short action, interrupted. More examples. She was walking home when it started to rain. They were watching a movie when the lights went out. Notice how past continuous sets the background and past simple shows a quick action that happened in between. Remember, past simple, completed action. I finished my homework. Past continuous, ongoing past action. I was doing my homework at 6 p.m. Both. Interrupted action. I was doing homework when the power went out. Practice time. Let's try a few together. While I blank walk to school, I blank see an old friend. Answer. Was walking, saw. While I was walking to school, I saw an old friend. They blank watch TV when the doorbell blank ring. Answer. Were watching rang. They were watching TV when the doorbell rang. I blank read a book when it suddenly blank start to rain. Answer. Was reading started. I was reading a book when it suddenly started to rain. Great job today. Now you know how to use past simple and past continuous and how they work together. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Simple English Lab. See you in the next video. Bye.